Hare Krishna, dear devotees. I haven't really prepared anything, but I'm just going to speak a little something from my heart because it's been requested by Mukunda Maharaj. As I've been sitting here and listening to all the homages, I just can't help but feel an immense sense of gratitude. And although I wasn't able to get that Vapu instruction from Prabhupada himself, I feel fortunate enough to have the association with all these lovely devotees at New Govardhan. And I had this realization the other day when I was speaking with Guru Maharaj that almost 99% of the time he speaks of Prabhupada. So I'm really grateful for this shelter. And oh God. And yesterday taking initiation here in this temple was probably the best day of my life. And yeah, I just want to say thank you for the shelter and for offering this alternative to the miserable material world as much as we can escape it here. And I'm very grateful to be part of the family. So thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Emma's got my tears going. Sorry, I haven't prepared anything like that, but all I can really say is I'm just so grateful for Prabhupada's mercy and Krishna's mercy for allowing me to come to Krishna village and getting such nice association from the devotees. And I'm just so grateful that I've just been given the opportunity to serve. And even though I'm still selfish, try to be a little bit less selfish and try to realize within myself just how much I have to work on and how little time I have to do it in. But I'm also just so grateful to my spiritual master, who just is so inspiring and talks of Srila Prabhupada all the time. Srila Prabhupada is just, whenever he gives a lecture, he says something that's just so enlightening, and it just changes your perspective, even if it's just for a second and you forget it later on. But it's just that little short amount of time there that you just kind of rethink. Yeah, I'm just so grateful.